Well, the question is frequency under 2 ideal? In fact, it's really depends. Now, first thing first, when it comes to frequency, we have 2 types of frequency to look at. Now, first we have top of funnel campaign, then we have retargeting campaign. Now, for top of funnel, because the main purpose of top of funnel ads is actually meant to go out and find as many people as possible, to reach as many people as possible. So we want our frequency to be below 2. So when it comes to frequency below 2, how many days are we actually looking at the date range? Usually 7 days, all right? We don't look at 30 days. 30 days is definitely, I don't know, sometimes you still have below 2, but it's okay to have slightly higher than 2 if you are looking at 30 days. But for 7 days, ideally, for top of funnel, we want it to be below 2. Then when it comes to retargeting, it really depends on your retargeting journey. So let's say, for example, if you are doing e-commerce and your general retargeting duration is 7 days, for example. So for 7 days, ideal frequency for retargeting would be 3 to 8. It really depends on the product that you are selling. Some benefit from 3. Some may need to go out to 5 to 6 because it takes a little bit of reminder for the people to start taking action on your ad. It really depends on the product. So you need to test. So let's say, for example, if you have retargeting, if your frequency is at 2-ish to 3, consider increasing the budget a little bit to see whether it pushes the frequency to higher, and watch your ROAS coming in, whether it's converting or not. Okay, so yeah, there must be a sweet spot. For every campaign, I wouldn't say this is the best frequency. It has to be 3, it has to be 5, it has to be 8. My client has got various combinations. Some of them actually would have a sweet spot of 6, meaning it has to hit 6 in order to, get meaningful results. Below that, the conversion is not working so well. So you really have to test. That's why all these really takes a lot of testing and all that. So basically, that's the basic of the frequency, the rule of thumb of frequency for top of funnel and retargeting. But yet again, it takes a really subtle experiment, adjustment to find the best sweet spot. So if you need help working together on a campaign, I think the best way is run ads for at least a week or 2 for top of funnel and retargeting. And then after that, you can scan this QR code where it will take you to my Fiverr gig, where you can purchase a one-on-one Facebook ads audit by me. So in 30 minutes over Zoom call, just you and me, we're going to dive into your metrics. So we're going to do 3 things together. First, I will build you a meta ads dashboard. I will pull out all the metrics that you need to track for your campaign. And then after that, I will build it in your ads manager so that you can always come back to it. And then we will analyze the number together, and I will walk you through how do we analyze and make sense of the numbers. And finally, the third thing is I'm going to build you a plan. So we're going to list out like these are the 3 things that we can test. Now, first thing, and then after that, after a week, if it works, then, test second thing and third thing and stuff like that. So this is really meaningful if you're running ads on Facebook and you're not sure whether your campaign is working or not, and you're not sure what to do about it. Scan this QR code. I look forward to work with you.